Hello, welcome to Snow Planet, the unique snow world for the first time in Jaipur at GT Central Mall, where you can have your very own snowy and fun-filled experiences right amidst the hustle of city life. An amazing snow-themed park with snow rides, snow party, snow cafe and exciting snow games. We have everything for you to have lots and lots of fun and indulge in the pleasure of melting in pure white fresh snow. Experience true thrill at Snow Planet, spread over 30,000 square feet, covered under 200 tons of real snow. Enjoy the spine-chillingly awesome snow slides and dance your heart out on the spectacular dance floor. Have fun in the land of polar bears, alpine trees and penguins. Celebrate real live snowfall, which we specially create for you, so you can revel in joy and experience the magic of snowfall amidst the scorching heat of Jaipur. Let the London Bridge carry you over to the magical land of Snow Planet, India's best snow park, where incredible times await you and your family and friends. As you get ready for the snow fight and the happy times, do not forget to obtain your tickets from the counters, one for each of your friends and family. To ensure you enjoy every bit of snow, we maintain temperatures of -3 to -6 degrees centigrade inside the arcade. If at any time you or your kids feel discomfort, please leave the arcade immediately or contact our crew members inside. Our crew is always there for you. We are very happy to help you. Before you enter the snow world, please obtain your quilted jacket and waterproof shoes from our crew. These would keep you warm while you enjoy the ambience at sub-zero temperature. Also, wear your gloves at all times so you can comfortably experience the magic of Snow Planet. Entry only for ages 4 and above. The minimum height required is 3 feet. Children between 4 to 6 years and senior citizens aged 65 years and above are compulsorily required to be accompanied by an adult to ensure their safety. We request all patrons to acknowledge the risks involved with sub-zero temperature. Please ensure you're in good health, are not pregnant, are not suffering from high or low blood pressure or any heart ailment or any other life-threatening disease. Persons above 100 kg would not be allowed on any of the slides. While we take every possible care in providing you with a safe snow experience of the highest standards, the management cannot be held liable for any damage or loss caused to personal body. The snow inside is slippery. We request our patrons to be very careful. Do not throw big snowballs on each other to avoid injury. Do not eat snow, and please take care of your kids too in this regard. We request all patrons to not lean on any ropeway or bridge, nor touch any decoration items. We understand your eagerness and excitement to have your turn on our amazing slides, but we request you to wait for your turn to get clearway. Please do not push anyone on the slide. 1 hour of show slot only means 40 minutes of time inside the arcade. Lockers on rent and socks on purchase are also available. Deposit of your shoes is complimentary. Show timings and prices may vary. Please log on to www.snowplanet.in for the updates. Advance booking is also available. So, what are you waiting for? Book your tickets now. Come witness the magical land with us, and we'll help you make lasting memories you'll be fond of forever at Snow Planet Jaipur, India's best snow-themed amusement park. See you on the snow.